Hello family. Today I have received my new pan. This is the Nordic Ware Platinum Collection, and this is the Heritage pan. I have been wanting this pan. So I made a white cake, and I'm going to make the 7-minute frosting to go on this cake. So stay tuned so you can learn how to make the 7-minute frosting. For the 7-minute frosting, you'll need 1 cup of sugar, 2 egg whites, and make sure that you don't get any of the yolk in with it, because if you do, it will mess it up. 3 tablespoons of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla that you will put in at the end. Get your heavy saucepan, stainless steel, heavy, not the one that's coated and have that lining in it, because you have to use an electric mixer to mix this for 7 minutes, and if you do, it'll mess up. I have put all the ingredients in the saucepan. You use a hand mixer and you mix it for 7 minutes. And you should get a soft peak or a stiff peak, however you want to say it. And you'll know that it is right, and at the end we'll put in the vanilla. I'm going to start out a little bit so you can see, but I'm not going to mix it not record for the whole 7 minutes mixing. Okay, here we go. See, it is mixing up together. The icing is ready. I've added the 1 tablespoon of vanilla. The cake is ready, and I'm just going to put this on this just in spots and places.